And for those of you that are just checking things out over here, this is the Drones in School 2026 National Championship.
The whole process was very difficult, but at the same time, it helped us learn a lot. All the competitions, all the practices, and all the hard work we've done has all dedicated to this moment.
Drones in School is a middle school and high school STEM program where students not only learn to fly drones, but they also get to do engineering, project management, graphic design, marketing, and even more.
What I am witnessing is top shelf. They are putting together not just the flight, but the repair, the setup, the maintenance, the management, and the design and marketing.
You're looking at the marketing portion of it, you're looking at the design, you're looking at the display itself.
Like, this has been such a great opportunity. I've met so many great people on other teams, and the judges have always been so kind.
Really proud moments of seeing them just come together towards the end of the season, and how much they learn over the season is really, really great.
The extreme benefit that I see as a drone pilot mom is the fact that they incorporate not only marketing and all of the racing aspects, but specifically the FPV racing. When you have the FPV experience of seeing what the drone sees, your career path is just second to none.
The students are working in teams like the real world. The students have specialties like the real world. The students are learning to find their voice.